Welcome back to Kids Fun Science. My name's Ken, and we're in for a special treat as we're going to make butterbeer from Harry Potter. As always, adult supervision is required. What you need for this experiment is 2 bowls and these lists of ingredients. And I'll help you walk you through how we make it in the following steps. And we need Butterscotch Jello right there. We're going to use some of that. We're going to use powdered sugar. We're going to use butterscotch Sundae syrup and your favorite cream soda. And we're going to make that in 2 different bowls, and I'm going to take you through the steps on how to do that. So the first bowl, we're going to add our powdered sugar in there. Then we're going to add our heavy whipping cream, 16 ounces or 1 pint, to the powdered sugar. So we're going to put that in there. Now you're going to add butterscotch jello, which I've never had before until we started having butterbeer. We actually had butterbeer for the first time when we went to Harry Potter Park there in Orlando, which was very, very good. So we decided to come home and try to reinvent the recipe, which we're sharing here. You want to kind of mix this up until it's not too thick, but just, thick enough to be like a foam that you're going to put on top of a beer. Now for the second bowl, we're going to add our 2 bottles of cream soda into the bowl. And we're going to put both of those in. It doesn't matter what brand, just any kind of cream soda. And so once we get both those 2 bottles in, and then we're going to add the other ingredients of the butterscotch syrup. So we got our butterscotch syrup. We're going to put that in. We're going to put 3 tablespoons into there. We actually had teaspoons. We did it wrong. We added a little bit more. So you'll see teaspoons here, but it's supposed to be 3 tablespoons. So we're going to add a little bit more, and then we'll be set. We're going to stir it, and we're almost ready. You just want to make sure you stir it up so it's nice and dissolved. And then we're going to take it. We could have mixed it in, I guess, in the pitcher in the first place, but we're going to put it in a pitcher. And then we're going to, I find it to taste a lot better with shaved ice. So if you don't have a shaved ice machine like we do here, go ahead and you can just put ice in it, or you can just drink it without ice because you've had it chilled. But they serve it both ways at Harry Potter Park. The shaved ice, in my opinion, makes it so much better. So we just happen to have a shaved ice machine, so we put our shaved ice in. You want to fill that all the way to the top of the glasses when you pour it in. So now we got our shaved ice, and we're going to put those into the cups. I prefer to have the shaved ice all the way to the top, but I didn't make enough, so we're going to get about a half a cup each of shaved ice, which is still good, but I prefer to have a little bit more shaved ice. And once we get that, then we're going to pour our butterscotch and syrup and cream soda mixture into the drinks. And once we get that, then we're going to top it off with our froth, our foam, to give it that butterbeer look at the top, which is actually very, very delicious too. So once we get that, we're going to put that in, kind of even it out, and then we're going to put our froth on top. Go ahead and load it up. This is a good part here. You're probably going to want, besides just drinking it, you're going to want to use a spoon to eat it too. It's kind of like a root beer float in a way, but very delicious, very sweet. If you have a sweet tooth, you're going to really enjoy this. So, and here we are, end results. It looks just like a beer. Got the foam on top, and hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to click thumbs up, especially if you're a Harry Potter fan, and to subscribe. Thanks for watching.